Hello, I'm Christina. In this video, I'm going to take you have a look what is JBoss Fuse. Well, in short, what JBoss Fuse really is, it is an open source enterprise service bus that reduces the pain of connecting disparate application, services, and devices for comprehensive and efficient solutions. Well, and it all comes down to why do we need JBoss Fuse and what is it for? Well, in today's complex IT environment, integration requires a comprehensive integration capabilities. Things like within today's enterprise, you would have more than one application, of course, and these applications needs to talk to each other. In many cases, the output of these applications are different, and the protocols they use are most likely to be different too. To one by one and integrate this application becomes a very complex job. So to move away from the complex solutions and avoid duplications of code and make it easier to maintain, we want to have something that gives you the freedom of converting from one protocol to another, capabilities of routing, transforming data from one to another, and most importantly, take care of security, monitoring, versioning, things, etc. for you. And JBoss Fuse is the lightweight enterprise service bus you are looking for. But wait, there is more. As the technology advances, we're now facing with more challenging environments. The cloud technology now allow us to have a more distributed system location-wise, and the way now the handheld devices are changing the way we use the internet services. So from the enterprise point of view, we need to cope with that and even change the way we provide software services. And don't even get started with the increasing number of ready-to-use SaaS services on the cloud and that are available. We now need to take all this into account and integrating all this together, and it becomes a very complex and time-consuming process. Well, with JBoss Fuse, not only is just a lightweight enterprise service bus, and because of its agile nature, rather than just deploying one huge bus within your enterprise, you are now free and ready to design your enterprise architecture to adapt your special business needs. Adapting the latest microservices framework, having multiple layers of ESB, it'll be much easier to control the granularity of your service. And also, it can also allow you to publish more appropriate API to your mobile devices or provide other services on the cloud. Speaking of cloud, we could always use the Red Hat JBoss Fuse for XPaaS. It actually extends the same integration solution onto the cloud, enable your integration solution to be seamlessly designed, developed, deployed, and managed in the cloud. So it brings the whole package into the cloud. So what is within JBoss Fuse? Within JBoss Fuse, we have this OSGI container. It is the foundation of our Red Hat JBoss Fuse. It is a very lightweight, agile container, allow our ESB to run on. And we have Fuse Fabric. Fuse Fabric is the management side of our JBoss Fuse. It allows you to manage all the distributed containers and handles load balancing and stuff on for JBoss Fuse. And on top of that, we have our messaging queue. So it is a very fast and standard-based message broker, and it allows you to extend your integration services and allow it to be IoT ready. Apache Camel is the most popular implementation of commonly used enterprise integration pattern, or we call EIPs. It has a vibrant, popular, and growing communities. So it comes with more than 150 connectors or components to different enterprise systems. So now with JBoss Fuse, you have a foundation to create more APIs and also connect to other APIs as well. As well as that, we have web services. The web services are utilizing the technology of Apache CXF, which expose your services onto the web. And we also have JBoss Developer Studio. The JBoss Developer Studio provides you with a drag and drop tooling that is already built in, and you could use the drag and drop data mapper. And best of all, it now provides the capability allow you to debug within the tooling, so you get to see what is within the header and body. Okay, this is why Red Hat JBoss Fuse is so awesome, and looking at Red Hat JBoss Fuse from 100,000 feet above. With the core ESB capabilities included within the JBoss Fuse, and due to the modular packaging which supports multiple use cases, you could now integrate everything everywhere.